Hey bird nerds, we're gonna bring you a fun video today. We're gonna feed Mr. Spike here. We just got him a treat and some dubia roaches, and my little boy wanted to help feed him. So we're gonna see. He's a little bit cold. He's pretty dark right now. He was outside of his heat lamp, so he's a little bit on the cooler side. So we'll see if he'll be excited to eat or not. What do you think? Yep. Okay. What we grabbed, so this is a horned worm. It's pretty big size. I mean, my palm there. I mean, he's a good sized horned worm. This is more of a snack for him, a really big juicy snack. Doesn't really provide too many nutrients, but some good hydration for him. These bugs are just full of nothing but green liquid. And then we got us a dozen dubia roaches this time, and we rotate it through. So we playing with Spike. We usually rotate it through, get some dubia roaches, some crickets, some mealworms, the horned worms, and also with him being as big as he is now, we have transitioned him more to a vegetable diet. So he's about 80% vegetables and about 20% meat. And we do have our calcium plus that we'll put in there, coat them all in calcium plus for Spike to get his calcium. So we'll see if he even notices. You see that worm, buddy?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat it? You want to eat the worm?
Daddy, hold it.
You gonna hold it?
You will have it? You will eat it?
Do you think he'll eat it? He might be a little too cold. Oh, maybe not. He's looking at it. Oh, he sees it. All right, okay. He's ready. Look at it. He's ready to go. You want some? Okay, let's pull him out, Mace. All right, so we've got him here. We're actually gonna try and coax him down off of this. So when I do the dubia roaches, he will. Come here, buddy. Look. You see that? Come on. Come on. Come on. There he goes. Oh, he jumped and grabbed it. And it's gone, just like that. He loves those suckers. Such a good boy. Okay, we'll drop it. Mason, should we drop in the roaches now? And you can help me?
Yeah,
okay.
I want to do it.
All right, so we've got them coated in their calcium. Mason's gonna try and get one. There you go. Hey, drop it in there for him. Good. And ready. Oh no, he escaped underneath. He'll find them. Okay, we ready to drop all the other ones in?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And it's a free-for-all.
Yes!
See how he changes that color? Now he's a more of a bright orange color now. He's in hunt mode.
No adventure.
No, just let him go. And he will eat every single one of those roaches. Probably before it's nighttime, unless they hide underneath. Oh, he's looking. So Spike is just over a year old. We bought him when he was about 3 weeks old. He could fit in the palm of my little boy's hand here. That's how little he was. And he's grown quite a bit. He's probably close to a foot long. Oh, that one's dead. See a sucker. Walked right into the jaws of death. Oh, we left the leg behind. I think our cage, I think it's 75 gallons. Here pretty soon we'll probably have to get him a bigger cage. He won't grow too much bigger. He might just grow a little bit wider, but as far as length goes, I think he's pretty close to his adult size. But that is how fast they grow. In 1 year, he went from being about this big to that. So, pretty crazy. Say, Spike, look the other way, dude.
Spike, go anyway.
He does love lettuce, spinach.
Spike,
We give him kale, some vegetables, the peppers and apples, and every once in a while a few berries.
Dad.
What?
Look.
Oh man, that one crawled away. Look at that big old fat belly.
Dad. There's one.
Oh, there's one right there, huh? Oh, there's a few underneath there.
I see it.
You see him?
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, I think Spike sees him. Let's see if the dinosaur comes. Oh, he sees him. Here comes the dinosaur. Do you think Spike's a dinosaur?
Huh?
Do you think Spike's a dinosaur?
No.
No? He's just a lizard?
That's
I think he kinda-
that's dinosaur.
I think he kind of looks like a dinosaur, doesn't he?
That's a dinosaur.
Oh, the dubia roaches are dinosaurs?
That one's dead.
They probably lived when the dinosaurs were here, huh?
Dad, there's one.
Yeah. Here he goes. Gotcha.
Spike, there's one more.
Isn't that crazy, Mason?
Yeah.
He definitely looks like a dinosaur, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take this mighty dinosaur named, what's his name, Mason?
Spike.
Yep, named Spike. We're gonna take him outside so we can get some natural sunlight, soak up the sun before it goes down, huh, Mace? Yep. Hopefully he's out of feeding mode now. Yeah, he's definitely a little cool. Oh, look at that guy. The mighty beast. He is incredibly friendly. Has never even attempted to bite my kids, really. And they manhandle him, take him everywhere. So we're gonna take him out, let him soak up some nice warm sun, and watch him turn jet black when we put him out on this. When they turn black, that means they're soaking up the heat and the sun, and it's all of its rays. Look at that, those black lines are already starting to come. It's amazing how quickly they can change those colors and how much more alert he becomes when we take him outside, because he's now in an environment he's not used to, more aware of predators, and just more concerned for his safety. But we'll make sure there's no cats or raptors out here that will get him. We'll let him sit right there. Look at that. Look, he's already changed black. Isn't that so crazy? He can go from bright orange when he's hunting these animals. Still a little orange on his tail. Look at that black. You look at him head on. All that just goes to black. So cool. Really is such a cool lizard. The baby borks are getting close to fully being weaned. We've got the one baby there eating some egg food. We've got the other baby up there getting some light and some sun. Let's see. The third baby's up in there. There he is. Right over there. We're getting pretty close to being fully weaned for you. Well, after we finished feeding Spike, the dinosaur, and giving you a quick peek at the baby Borks, we as a family decided to go to a local place called Tracy's Aviary. They have many different bird species ranging from eagles, owls, raptors, down to pink flamingos, to parrots, many hookbills, down to smaller finches like your tanagers. So really wide variety and selection, big, huge outdoor aviaries. Really is a beautiful place. So if you guys are ever in Utah and get a chance, I highly recommend going and visiting Tracy's Aviary. Is there a blue one down there? You want to take a video?
Is there one on the ground?
No.
Hi, bro.
Olivia, you getting them all on video?
Mason, here's your sticker. It got on mommy.
What's up, bro? Hello. Hi. Don't eat paper.
Ready.
I said don't eat paper. Stop eating paper.
Where's it?
What did I just say?
What? Oh, sweet. That is a crazy king vulture.
Whoa, what?
Those are the black-throated ones that we saw in the bird show. No, the black-throated magpie.
Migrate down and comes perch right here on this brick. And what is your name? Avery. All right, step up here for me, Avery. Turn and face me. Now you're about to meet the biggest bird we have here at Tracy Aviary. And I'm gonna give you this bowl that's gonna contain some of this bird's favorite snacks. So I'm gonna have you hold this bowl just like so, nice and sturdy with both hands. Perfect. Now, not only is this the biggest bird we have here at Tracy Aviary, he's also the biggest diva I've ever met. And he never comes out unless he knows he's gonna have a full audience. Well done, you did it. This is Sydney. Sydney is our emu. Sydney, come over here and say hello to Avery. Now, I'm sure a few of you are relieved to see a bird Sydney's size didn't come flying out over your heads. Now, he does have wings, but they're about the same size as a chicken's wings. Way too small to support his body, so like legs. What do you think, Avery? He's got quite the impressive pair of legs, right?